Hi, everybody. So for 1.4 and 1.6 here, so what you can see is you're going to have five total assignments. You're going to have the three sections, you're going to have a mid-chapter review, and you're going to have like a test of sorts. Normally, this test is a quiz. In this case, because it feels more appropriate to give you guys some time for this, right? This is real world exam. This is real world stuff. So you're realistically going to have time to prepare for this. You're going to have resources such as online calculators. So I didn't want to have to stress you out with like maybe some of you use a calculator better, for example. So don't worry about that in this case. But anyways, one thing you will need for this, guys, is you are going to need a special calculator, and I'm not expecting you to physically have one because they can get like $50 to $200 depending on what it is. So instead, what I've done here is I've given you a couple of different options. Now, this is all broken down in 1.4 and how to use them. But point being, though, these are some of the options you're going to have. You have an online calculator. Some of them are going to give you a calculator that looks like this, for example. Um, So it shows you how to use that stuff there, okay? So we've given you some free tools. You are not going to be given a physical calculator this class. I know those of you who were in my math class last semester got one. You're not getting one this time. They're too expensive. We don't get them back. We're not paying $150 to send you a calculator we're not going to get back. So that said, you guys can kind of jump straight into it. Again, same thing as before. Watch one of the videos, do take your notes, submit the assignment, right? Nothing too crazy, nothing too outlandish here. Any questions, please let me know.